of Computer Engineering Department. Today I want to discuss with practical number 9 of Advanced Java Programming. This practical comes under in Unit 2 Swings. So write a program to launch a progress bar. Practical significance: the J scroll bar class is used to display the progress of the task. Students will able to use the progress bar to see the progress of any task. So progress bar is used to display the progress of the task. We usually see that progress bar while installing of some software is going on, we'll see the progress bar. Or it inherits the J component class. Or loading also we'll see the percentage of the progress bar. I think it is clear progress bar means. So what are the relevant program outcomes? Basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, communication. These are the program outcomes. Next, competency and practical skills. To develop standalone application using Swing components, the practical is expected to develop the following skills: able to implement the J progress bar with its orientation, and second one, able to write a program using J progress bar of the applet, or call add method for the contain pane of the J applet object. First you have to create the J scroll bar object, and then you have to add this into the J applet. To add into the J applet, you should, before that you have to call this container object कैसे retrieve करेंगे? Using get contain pane. Using this get contain pane, you have to retrieve the object of the container, then add this progress bar object to the J applet. Next, relevant course outcomes. Develop programs using GUI framework either in AWT or Swings. Practical outcomes: write a program to launch J progress bar. Next, relevant affective domain related outcomes. Follow precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background: the J progress bar class is used to display the progress of the task. We usually see the progress bar while installation of some software is going on. It inherits J component class. So these are the following constructors we are using this. J progress bar. It is used to create horizontal progress bar without progress string. By default, horizontal progress bar is selecting. Second constructor, J progress bar with two parameters, one is minimum and maximum. It is used to create horizontal progress bar with a specified minimum and maximum value. And third constructor having one parameter, that is orientation. It is a constant. It is used to create progress specified orientation. It can be either vertical or horizontal by using the swing constants dot vertical and swing constant dot horizontal constants. You have to mention any one of the constants, either vertical or horizontal. Next, last constructor, J progress bar, is having three parameters. One is orientation, minimum and maximum. It is used to create the progress of specified orientation, either horizontal or vertical, and minimum and maximum values. And commonly used method, void add change listener, used to add the change listener to the progress bar. And next method is get minimum. It retrieves the integer, gets the minimum, get the maximum value of the progress bar. In get minimum, get the minimum value of progress bar. Next, void set string painted boolean b. It is used to determine whether string should be displayed. we'll see in the practical how this void get string. It is also we are code. Write a program code to generate the following output. So progress bar demo. It is a frame. In that frame, they are created the progress bar. So we'll see in the practical how you have to do in this NetBeans. So I will open the NetBeans. So already I have written the program. I will explain you. See the output. It is same as that what they are. Progress bar demo frame we are created. In that frame we have created this progress bar. So I will explain this. So frame here they are created. Frame, I think you must be very familiar with how to create the class. So right click on this default package and then select this new class, new and Java class, and give the name, class name, public class, class name extends frame, and this main method we are used created the JFrame object here. They are given the title as progress bar demo. That's why we are passing this this title. And after that we have created the panel. In that panel we are adding the progress bar. Create a panel, jpanel p equal to new jpanel, and create the progress bar. So progress bar object is b. That's why b equals new j progress bar. And set initial value as 0. So setting the initial value as 0, maximum value, minimum value you have to set. I will explain this. And here we are using this b set string painted true. You have to pass methods we already saw in previous. That set string painted means what will come here. 90% is now that is coming. That is printing here. Set this one string painted, and that we are passing here. See. So set value you have to set. That painted means that will be true, means that 90% will be seeing. And after creating the progress bar object, you have to add this progress bar to panel. Panel का object p है, p dot add b. And after that you are setting the value. You can set before or after. It's no problem. And after that you have to add this panel to the frame and set the size of the frame and make this frame as visible. Is it clear? See here I will show you one more method that I am putting here. This one set string painted as true. इसमें the comment में डाला. Then we'll run, then see the this one. What is happening? See here, can you see it? So if you are not set paint set string paint, I have put it as a comment. That's why it is not coming. Value आपको नहीं दिखाई दे रहे. Is it clear? So I am putting here and now set string. So इसका comment निकाल दूँ. Then I will run the program and show you. See now what will come? Loading आना चाहिए. सेट वैल्यू को कमेंट डाला. See here loading is written. Here set string, set value 90% है. अभी देखते रन करके. सो लोडिंग 90% फिल हो गया, वैल्यू सेट हो गया. वो लोडिंग का आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. इज इट क्लियर? सेट स्ट्रिंग क्या करता है? सेट स्ट्रिंग पेंटेड. यू शुड make this set string painted true, then only you can see that, otherwise you cannot see the progress bar. And set value, the value will be setting. And here one more thing, set maximum and set minimum value. So here I am removing the comment of the set maximum method. So then I will run the program J progress bar to show the progress bar when user clicks on the J button. So here we have created one button. When user click on this button, then only this progress bar will be visible. Until unless it is not visible. Is it clear what you have to do? You have to create the button and the progress bar. When user clicking on this button, the progress bar will be visible. So this is coming under actually event handling. Here I will run the program first and here this is the what button. When user clicking on this button, the progress bar will be visible. Is it clear? So for that frame we are created. In that frame we are created the progress bar, J progress bar, and initial value of the progress bar, initially it is 1 and this one set value as 0 and set string painted true automate, and we are setting this a button B1 location and progress bar location we are we are keeping set locations, set bonds use करके अपना location fix किया, and after that PB set visible false, progress bar को visible false किया, so आपको दिखेगा नहीं. So add button add किया and then progress bar add किया. So we are adding the listeners here. When user click on this button, the action should be happen. That's why B1 dot add action listener. So these listeners will see in this next chapter details. Is it clear? And we are written the code to close this frame. And after that, when you are using this action listener, you have to implement this action perform method to make this event handling. So here E dot get source, E is action event, object is E. E dot get source means this method retrieves the object. So E dot get source means तो कौन सा object retrieve करेगा आपका? So आपका B1 object. So B1 equals B1. Get source means object को retrieve करेगा. So that is B1 equals B1 होएगा तो आपका क्या होएगा? PB dot set visible true. So आपका तभी आपका क्या progress bar visible होएगा, true हो जाएगा. And here we are written the code to fill this progress bar. For I is less than or equal to 100, thread dot sleep. So sleep method is used to give the delay के लिए, and then paint immediately you are passing the parameter, and कैसा आपका values ये करने का pb dot set value, pb is the progress bar object, set value, so कैसा pb dot get value, उसका values retrieve करेगा plus 10 add करके आपका वो values set करते जाएगा. So increment होते हो जाएगा. देखो अभी इधर output, run the program. So see, so I am clicking here, 10 add करके हो जाएगा आपका. पहला 10 20 and after that you are setting the size, frame and set visible true करेगा. Is it clear? And after that question answers round, we'll see that. Name the different orientation of the progress bar. There are two types of orientation, horizontal and vertical. By default, horizontal is the creates the progress bar with a specified orientation if swing constants dot vertical is passed as argument as a vertical progress bar is created. If swing constant dot horizontal is passed as argument, horizontal progress bar is created. Next, second question, explain the purpose of set value. J progress bar class is used to display the progress of the task. It inherits the J component class. So set value sets the progress bar current value to the value n. So here we set the value. Progress bar create किया और initial value उसको 0 दिया. And next last question, what is the use of minimum and maximum value of the progress bar? Set maximum set the progress bar maximum value to the n, and set minimum sets the progress bar minimum value to the value n. This will complete your unit 2 practical session. There are 4 practicals are there.